You haven't seen this guy in a while. What's he been up to? Hey there, Mr. Jameson.
Hey, what's happening?
What are you up to?
Well, I'm just sanding in this door jamb area, this door area. While you're here, we should do an update on the old Thunderbird. We've been kind of chiseling away at it, doing some house renovations as well, outdoor work as well. We went camping, but you saw me do the engine bay. So let's go over, let's take a run over that way. And you'll notice, of course, we found a nice flat surface to put things because we put the engine hood back on. I painted underneath the engine hood. It's all painted. Beverly's been working on the trunk lid. So we have to get it painted, but first we're going to flip it over and do some priming. Let's see, what else is going on out here? Well, the interior has been taken out. Well, not all the interior, but we got to cover all this up before we do much more. Back seat stuff taken out. You have to take all that out just to get these trims off. These side trims, hardtop trims. All right, over here, the trunk. This was an area here that the trim had to come off for painting, but this was a spot that had lead in it, and it was cracked off the lead, the old filler. So I started fillering it, but it needs to be a little bit more. It was hard to get in there with the trunk lid on, so that's why the trunk lid's off right now. That's the only reason. Well, what else do we talk about? Over here on this side, if Beverly could come over here, most of this side we haven't touched yet except for this quarter panel. And this is the new, I redid this quarter, the bottom of this quarter. And I did the spot up here, and I did this arch, wheel arch. So that's all been done. It needs finish filling, sanding, and a little bit more welding, so I've been holding off on it, some welding on the arch itself. But yeah, this trim is off, so we're ready to sand all this. And we're going to change out these hinges. These got bent. I think they were forced down, or at least I think they were bent. I fixed one time before down in here because they were bent. So I have another set of hinges to go on here. I don't know what else to say. We had to do this inside the trunk, like I mentioned. Beverly's going to go, she said she's going to volunteer to sand inside the trunk. And I'm not going to argue with her. Anyway, everyone, there's lots of other things happening, so we don't get every day on this thing. We just cleaned up some stuff out back. But we're going to take the door. I think I'll take this door outside because I found a damaged part on that door. And I'll show that in the picture. So that's all getting fixed back up again.
Right.
Trying to get the body line back in.
Yep.
And now I'm just basically yabbering on, so...
We're making progress.
Yeah, she's looking good. Having the door off, I think, is a much better job than trying to do all that paint change in there, because you can't really sand in there with the door on.
Right.
These filler plates, I already painted those. I don't know where I put them, but they're here somewhere. All right, so yeah, the fillers, I painted those when I did the under of the engine hood, the other side of the engine hood. So they look pretty good. They come out nice and shiny. All right, well, that's pretty much all I have to say about that for now. We're going to continue to work on things, and thanks for watching, and there's more to do, obviously. And we'll catch up with you with either a repair video or more on this old Thunderbird. So thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one.